Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm really excited to be collaborating with 5 amazing ladies from around the world, where we're going to show you some Christmas DIY inspiration. I hope you enjoy. Joining me today, all the way from the UK, will be Claire's Crafty Corner and Crafty Decor by Toni, and Terrarium and Crafts. And all the way from the USA, Mama Dares to DIY. As well as my fellow Aussie, Live It Like Lisa. So I wanted to share some glam DIYs for Christmas with you, and I started with these cone shapes that I picked up from Spotlight. Now they're cardboard and they're in the shape of Christmas trees, and I had a wonderful idea in mind for them. Every Christmas I'm truly drawn to fur decor, guys. I love white fake fur on Christmas boxes, around Christmas skirts, and I truly wanted to have some fur Christmas trees as well. So I picked up some pre-cut fur from Spotlight, and I knew it would be perfect for these Christmas trees. Now they were 75 by 50 centimetres in length, so it was the perfect size for these trees. So what I'm doing here is taking the tip of the Christmas tree and adding it to the left-hand corner of the fur. Then I'm going to roll it forward. Taking some hot glue, I'm going to start from the very top and glue it in place. I'm then going to continue down until it is nice and tightly in place. Now the aim here is to pull nice and tight, guys, so you get a nice tight effect. Now you're then going to take some scissors and cut off the bottom excess. You're then going to tuck it inside the tree and hot glue it in place.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased.
Once it's complete, you're then going to take the smaller tree and repeat the same steps.
Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and
I'm absolutely loving them already, guys. I love how soft these are to touch.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
However, this wouldn't be a shell DIY without a touch of glam. So now I'm going to glam them up. Taking some Mod Podge and a paintbrush, what we're going to do here, guys, is we're going to start painting the top of the tree. And you're going to paint in the direction of the fir.
Wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you.
You're then going to take some of these glass beads from my local dollar store. Now I've got gold and I've got silver, and I'm just going to sprinkle them over the Mod Podge. Using my finger, I'm dabbing them in place. Now you just want them random here, guys. You don't want to cover the entire tree. You're also going to add some silver ones.
Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else.
You're then going to take some of my favourite gold glitter and you're going to sprinkle that over the top.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, Chelles.
You're going to continue around and around until the entire top of the tree is covered.
I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, the fields we go, laughing.
Once I was happy with the result, I then took my trusty hairspray and gave it 2 coats to secure everything in place.
Spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight.
I then repeated the same steps on the second tree.
A day or two ago,
Once I was happy with the result, I then moved them to the side to dry and then moved on to my second DIY. I had this cardboard box that I wasn't using anymore and I knew it would make a perfect Christmas addition.
the horse was lean and lank.
Taking the remaining fur, I flipped it on its back and then added the box to the centre. Now what I'm doing here is I'm just hot gluing each side.
We got upside. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Now you want to pull on the fur very tightly and secure it in place.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Dashing through the
I then took the sides and just basically did the same method as you would covering a school book, guys. Just placing the corners on each end and flipping the fabric to the top.
jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Now I was very happy with how my little box was coming and I wanted to make it look like a gift under the tree. So I fell in love with this beautiful leopard print ribbon from Spotlight. Now guys, my theme this year is definitely having a pop of leopard print in my decor. Now off camera I hot glued the ribbon in a cross method across the box. I then took some of these Christmas decorations and what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to remove the strings and I'm going to glue them to the center of the ribbon. camera, I also added a little black pom-pom to the centre.
We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.
Guys, I absolutely love how these simple and inexpensive projects were so much fun to create. Just by taking some fake fur and some cardboard cones, I was able to create that glam Christmas tree look in my home.
Friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming.
Guys, I absolutely love watching YouTube videos of people being so creative. I encourage you all to check out the playlist listed down below and check out these amazing channels of the amazing ladies that I'm currently collaborating with. I would love for you to reach out and check out their channels as well and give them lots of encouragement because we've all worked so extremely hard on these videos and I'd love for you to support them.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
A big shout out to each and every one of these amazing ladies. I had so much fun collaborating with you.
Making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to Christmas DIYs.
Have a good time, dance all night long. We're gonna dance and have a
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelles Glam Home.
It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.